In front of me is Motorola Moto G87, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock and select Screen Lock. Now tap on one of those login methods to pick the best one for you: pattern, PIN or password. Create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, hit clear at the bottom left corner and then input it correctly. When you're done, select Next and repeat your login method in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now after tapping on Done, answer this question to adjust lock screen notifications. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notifications on lock screen, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit Done. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. If you ever want to manage your login method, you can either click on this gear to manage those options like pattern visibility, or to change it completely, tap on Screen Lock, enter your current one, and pick whatever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!